Rear-end collisions are among the most common accidents on the road, but when it comes to large vehicles, the consequences can be even more severe. Are you prepared to prevent them? At OSHA Education School, our Avoiding Rear-End Collisions for Large Vehicles course teaches you the skills you need to stay safe, avoid accidents, and protect yourself and others on the road. In this course, you'll learn how to adjust your following distance, understand reaction time and braking techniques, and adapt your driving for different road and weather conditions. Large vehicles require significantly more stopping distance than smaller cars. This course teaches you how to calculate the right following distance based on speed, road conditions, and traffic flow. Reaction time is crucial when driving, especially in heavy traffic or adverse weather conditions. Understanding how to manage these factors can make all the difference in preventing accidents. Did you know that at 65 miles per hour, it takes over 525 feet to stop a loaded truck? That's almost 2 football fields. This course helps you improve reaction time, scanning techniques, and defensive driving habits to prevent last-second braking. Traffic congestion and bad weather make rear-end collisions more likely. You'll learn how to drive safely in heavy traffic, wet roads, and low-visibility conditions to avoid dangerous situations. Alright, so let's talk about the benefits of this course. First and foremost, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter, which will really set you apart in your field. You'll also have access to exclusive resources and materials that you won't find anywhere else. Plus, with our interactive modules, you can learn at your own pace and revisit any section whenever you need a refresher. Now, if you're ready to take your skills to the next level, don't wait any longer. Sign up today and start your journey towards mastering this valuable knowledge. Trust me, you won't regret it. So, go ahead, click that sign up button and let's get started. By completing this course, you'll gain the skills to drive more safely, reduce the risk of collisions, and comply with industry safety regulations. Plus, you'll receive a certificate of completion proving your commitment to safe driving. Click the link in the description to enroll now and complete the Avoiding Rear-End Collisions for Large Vehicles course today.